Welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make poppies using santol as a meat replacement.
Preheat your pan. 1 to 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 3 cups santol, pre-boiled grain and minced. 2 tablespoons ginger minced, 3 to 5 pieces siling labuyo. Dash of cayenne pepper, dash of white pepper. 2 teaspoon mamasitas Achuete powder. 1 onion minced, 4 cloves of garlic minced. 2 pieces bell peppers minced. Half a cup radish or daikon minced. 150 grams San Marino Corned Tuna. Salt, half a cup of water, and 3 teaspoons of water. Pour the cooking oil. Saute the garlic, onion, and ginger. When you smell the aroma of garlic, add the onion. When you smell the aroma of onion, add the ginger. Add pinch of salt, when you smell the aroma of garlic, onion, and ginger, add the bell peppers. Add radish, add 1/4 cup water, add siling labuyo, dash of cayenne pepper, dash of white pepper, add pinch of salt, let it simmer, then add the santol, Add 1/4 cup water. Two teaspoons of Mamacita's Achuete powder dissolved to 3 teaspoons of water. Add the corned tuna. Add the Achuete mixture. Toss it until well combined. Let it boil. Simmer until all the vegetables are cooked. My very own Santol Bopis.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.